Want to keep your Instagram posts and stories private? Create your inner circle with close friends and share your personal moments in a private space within a few minutes. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use Instagram Close Friends. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your screen. Then tap your profile icon at the bottom right to get to your profile. Tap the three lines icon at the top right of your profile screen. And scroll down and tap on the Close Friends. Here, add people to your close friend by tapping on their name. You can also search for the specific people to add by tapping the search bar. After selecting the close friend, tap Done. Go back to your home page and swipe right to open the story camera. Create your story like usual with the photos and videos. When you reach the share screen, tap the close friend option. Now only the people on your list will see that story, and a green color ring will appear around your profile picture to show it's a exclusive content. Anytime you want to add or remove someone, just go back to the close friend page and tap remove button next to the name. So this is how to use Instagram Close Friends. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.